You're being
For
placed under
a
arrest,
ticket.
and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Not happening.
She thought a rental car and a cup of coffee gave her immunity. She was wrong. Today, we are in Orlando, Florida, breaking down why giving attitude to the wrong cup can turn a simple stop into a trip to jail. Let's look at the law.
How's it going? I'm Officer Straw of the Orlando Police Department. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Is it safe to get it?
Yep. And the registration and proof of insurance?
It's a rental stop.
It's a rental. How long have you had the rental for? Do you mind hanging up while we're...
Oh, I'm definitely not.
I'm sorry?
I can't.
I can't hear you.
I said I'm not hanging up my phone, and it's a rental, and I've had it for about a week.
Okay. The reason I'm pulling you over is you ran the stop sign back there at Livingston and Broadway, and you're talking on your phone and had coffee in the other hand.
I definitely didn't run a stop sign. I would never run a stop sign.
Well, you did. And
So I can't be on mine.
you cannot be holding your phone, and you cannot be holding coffee in another hand. You need to be paying attention to driving.
I'm not driving. I'll just take the ticket and go. This is not.
Okay. I'm just letting you know.
Vibes aren't well, and I'm pretty sure it's not.
You're in a
illegal
residential-
to sit.
It is when you're not paying attention. You're running a stop sign. You got a phone in one hand and a coffee in the other, and you're in a residential neighborhood.
I don't want to.
So, okay, I guess we just don't care about safety. Stay there, please.
Before it's in suspensions and a speed tag order without notice.
The moment the officer runs her name and sees two suspension, the nature of this stop changes. In Florida, under Statute 322.34, driving with a suspended license can be a criminal offense. She thinks she's just getting a ticket, but the officer now has the legal authority to make a custodial arrest. This is why you should always know your status before you get behind the wheel.
Delta 25 out from myself.
I think I'm in a 1015er. What? Willis? She's gonna be 1015.
They're doing a criminal site?
What's that?
A criminal site?
No, she's gonna go. She's been suspended twice. She blows a stop sign back here, phone in one hand, coffee in the other. I pull over, still yakking on the phone, still has coffee in her hand, and then starts giving me a bunch of attitude. And her license isn't even good for a TK. But so, like, she clearly just
Anderson and I-4 on ramp
doesn't care.
eastbound.
All right, we're gonna have her come step out, sign those.
Hello. He's gonna have you step out so you can sign for these.
I'm not getting out.
You're not getting out?
No, he can bring it right here. Officer Sayer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is, but this officer's asking you to step out.
No, I know better than to get out of my
And
car.
according
She says she knows better than to get out of the car. Actually, she knows nothing about the law. Under the Supreme Court case, Pennsylvania versus Mims, an officer can order a driver out of the vehicle during a lawful traffic stop for any reason, or no reason at all. Refusing this order isn't knowing your rights. It's resisting an officer. Watch how quickly this turns into a broken window threat.
to Florida State statute, if we ask you to get out of the vehicle, unfortunately, you have to get out.
I can sign right here. I'm not gonna get out.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not gonna get out. So
Well,
we can move to the next.
Here's the deal. You're being
For
placed under
a
arrest,
ticket,
and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
not happening.
You need to step out of the vehicle or I'm gonna take you out by busting this window.
I'll pop the other one.
You can step out or we're gonna take you out. You are under arrest for driving with a suspended license. Step out of the vehicle. This is not gonna end well for you. You need to step out of the vehicle.
The door unlocked?
No. You need to step out of the vehicle or I'm gonna bust this window.
Just open the door, man. Just open the door, man.
Do you have a punch?
You want me to pop it?
Open the vehicle now. You have no more chances. Open the vehicle and step out.
You can't hear you, so just open the door.
Open the vehicle and step out. Or I am going to pull you out of this vehicle. Do you understand me?
Are making me feel very threatened.
You are dictating how this goes. You are under arrest. You need to step out of the vehicle and put your hands behind your back.
You started this.
Yes, I pulled you over. You need to step out of the vehicle. Okay, step out of the vehicle right now.
Yeah, but this is on the 24 Western.
I'm not moving.
Step out. Come on.
I can't have no interaction with him. I can have
Step
one
out
with
of the
you.
vehicle.
I can
You are
have one
under
with you.
arrest.
I can't have one with you.
You're now under arrest. Step out of the vehicle.
Or you.
Look at her arms. She's tensing up and refusing to let go. In Florida, this is statute 840.02. Resisting an officer without violence. You don't have to throw a punch to be charged with resisting. Simply refusing a lawful command or tensing your muscle to prevent handcuffs is enough to land you a criminal record.
Get out of the vehicle,
No.
man.
You have to get out of the car, man.
Yeah, but not like this.
Okay, just
Get
get out.
But not like this. But not like this.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
No.
You have to.
Why?
You're under arrest.
For?
Drive with a suspended license.
You gonna hit me? Who's
Are
this
you
for?
gonna hit me?
Get out of the car.
Get
No.
out of the car. Come on.
No.
No, we're not doing this.
No. No.
All right, you're about to get sprayed.
No. I don't.
Okay, so get.
I also don't want y'all
You have to get out of the
harassing
car.
me.
Let go. You are
Yeah.
under arrest.
For what?
Step
Drive with
out
a
of the
suspended
vehicle
license.
now.
Come on.
Step
I'm
out
trying to
of
do
the
this.
vehicle
I'm trying
now.
to do this calmly. You're being very difficult.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Come on.
Step out
It
of the
don't take
vehicle
three of
now.
y'all.
Okay,
It's
well-
3 of them.
Are you gonna step out?
Yeah, but
Stop
you can
resisting.
relax.
Get out.
I can get out on my
Stop
own.
resisting. Get
I
out.
can get out on my own.
Well, you're not. So get out
Well,
now.
Just back up and give me a second.
Let's go
You
now.
want to make it up.
Get out of the car.
I'll get out on my own.
You have to get
I
out.
can get out.
Out now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your
Making
back.
this
You're
difficult.
under
He's
arrest.
making it difficult.
Put your hands behind your back.
They're arresting me, guys.
I'm trying, I can't hear her.
And it's 3 of them.
Oh my God. What is that? Oh, you don't have a phone?
Let's go.
Hey, can you go?
Come on.
Okay, okay. We'll go up to this.
Does this make y'all feel good?
No,
No, it doesn't.
this is not what I wanted to be doing today.
Do you have like a specific problem
No,
with me?
I have a problem that you're in a stop sign, you're driving with a not valid license, and you're holding coffee and a phone in your hand while you're driving.
Who was
That's what I have
holding
a
the steering
problem.
wheel? That's a flat out
Nobody
lie.
was. I watched you. Sit down. Sit down.
I'll just sit right
Scoot
here.
back. No, get in the car. We're not playing this game. Get in the car. It's done. You're under arrest. Sit in the vehicle, please. Get in the vehicle. Sit down. Thank you.
Hello?
She was charged with resisting without violence and driving with a suspended license. She was also issued a $164 ticket for running the stop sign.